Ultimate Guide to Boston College Moving. Moving to college in Boston? Whether it's your first dorm or a new apartment, a smooth move starts with a smart plan. At Better Life Moving, we've helped hundreds of students relocate across Boston, and we know exactly what works. Start early. Book your movers at least 4 weeks before move-in day to avoid peak season chaos and Boston's tricky parking rules. Create a checklist from packing supplies to dorm key pickup and your MBTA pass. And don't forget your budget. Include movers, deposits, and a small cushion for surprise fees like elevator access or late bookings. Pack light, pack smart. Use stackable bins, vacuum bags, and label every box by room. You'll thank yourself when unpacking. Need storage between semesters? Better Life Moving offers safe, affordable student storage across Boston, perfect for short breaks or summer. Finally, once you've settled in, get out and explore. Learn the tea, grab coffee in Brookline, and make the city your own. Your Boston College move doesn't have to be stressful, just organized. With a solid plan, the right movers, and local expertise, you'll start your semester strong.